Welcome back to the No Limit Crypto channel, a channel where I try to bring you the best trading opportunities every single day. And what we have in store for you today, I'm gonna make a couple of videos today about all of this, but the market is going crazy right now. Ethereum is blasting off, Cardano has broken $3, Bitcoin has broken $50, Dogecoin, if you're interested, has broken $30. You know, the market in general is just going nuts right now. And I think there's going to be some amazing opportunities right here. So let's take a look at it. So what happened overnight? For me overnight, depending on where you are, you know. So I woke up to Cardano breaking out of this bull flag that we looked at in the last video. If you're interested, I'm gonna leave a link to that video and for my analysis. So in the last video I speculated if Cardano, when it breaks this bull flag, this upper resistance line, if it's gonna have the momentum to break the $3. And as it looks like right now, yes, it's going to have. So the 4-hour candle closed above the $3. And as it looks right now, you know, we came back and we tested it a little bit. So, you know, anything can happen from here. So I don't think if you get into this trade right now, you haven't missed anything. But if this goes on for a couple of hours and the price of Cardano is going to be around 315, 320 maybe, you know, over 310, at that point I would start waiting for a pullback. You know, so let's say the price is somewhere around here. At that point, you know, I wouldn't get straight in, because when you apply stop losses and things, you could get closed out. So I would look for a bounce back to the $3 around this mark. You know, it's probably, or you never know if it's gonna hit $3 exactly, or 301, 302, but somewhere around here. And after that, you know, going up. That would be my plan. And you know, the smart contracts are not far away. You know, from today there is 10 days, 10 whole days to the smart contracts. You know, that's not a lot. So there's gonna be some moves. I'm expecting Cardano to make one last push. You know, we made this amazing move in the last like 40 days. 40 to 50 days, we moved from the $1 mark all the way up here to the $3. So if you were in from the $1 mark, you know, kudos to you, that's amazing. I got in a bit later. I think I got in around here, 120-ish. So what we're looking for right now. In the last video we looked at this target, which are, this is one Fibonacci level, and then there's one more Fibonacci level at 485, which could work as a, or will probably work as resistance for us, and maybe a good spot to get out, you know. So let's say you get in a trade right here, I would at least consider getting out at the 340 range, you know. You know, maybe those for you aren't that overwhelming, like amazing results, but if you get in around this 302 mark, for example, you know, that's 10%. And we have to remember that, you know, 10% in the crypto market, you know, maybe you don't think that's a lot, but making a 10% gain in, you know, the stock market, man, that's huge. So, you know, you gotta stay realistic when making these trades. So let's now take a look at what I think is a really confirming thing for us to reach this $3.40 range today, or at some point in like the shorter time frame. I'm talking about 1 day, 2 days, something around that, because I think this move right here, you know, you gotta remember, right now we're above all-time highs. There is no real resistance, you know, there's nothing that's holding us back. So that's why I need to take a look at, you know, these Fibonacci levels to see where something might happen. You know, this line being here doesn't mean anything. You know, this could just blast through it and go up to some random level, 350, 360, you know, you never know. So let's take a look at this target for this bull flag. You know, I don't really like these targets that much, but you know, they might give someone, you know, maybe I sometimes look at them to give some sort of idea where we might go. And in these cases, when I first have drawn this line right here from the Fibonacci's, and then I take this one and I put it right here where we broke, you know, bam, you look at this, it's exactly on the 340 mark. And to me that tells that this could actually be a level, you know. This confirms to me that there's a big possibility that something is going to happen at this level. And that's why I'm looking to take profits right here. You know, it could bounce up here and then come back down a while and then go through it. But you know, you gotta take profits. If you never take profits, you never really make any money. It's so simple. So yeah, that's basically everything that I have on Cardano right now. There's big things happening right now and you should not miss this. And I try to bring you these market alerts as they happen. You know, I just woke up and I saw this and I hopped on the computer and I started making this video because I want to bring these alerts to you right when they happen. You know, I don't want you guys to miss out on anything. Thanks for me. Peace out. Stay safe.